This is my YouTube channel.
Content. The live button at this corner.
Your blood makes atonement for my sin, cleanses deep within, and
things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the
The fro is back.
I should have coming early in the morning. Oh yeah, check out me to send my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you money. Like, you make it, I go show you nothing, I can make it to my city. Running next to me, can't look at pity. You want me to
While I pick on my hormonal pimple, I will just quickly review Dermalogica. So I've been using it for, I think, over a month now, or almost 2 months. I saw it on a YouTuber, I think it's Nekukuletu. She has the most amazing skin. I was like, you know what, let me just try this Dermalogica, although it's very expensive, but I see the difference. I mean, I used to have really bad dark marks, and they are now slowly clearing up as I keep using the product, and I just love how it feels on the skin. It's not really greasy, but yes, hydrating, so I just love it so much. I don't even have a magnet from my own country, and I always collect magnets from people's countries. What is this? I feel like I need a flag for my suitcase. And it's so cheap, like 30 rands. So now I can't charge because I'm like adapter, like a South African adapter. So I'm just looking for that because I can't charge anyway, and I'm sure at the Airbnb I'll have the same problem. So sure, Gabby's in South Africa, guys. How is this $100? How much is $100 in Qatar Airways? Divide by 5. Still though, it's expensive, man. Standard procedure to order milkshake. I love milkshake, and I've already eaten here. Just wanted to see. I ordered a Hawaiian burger. I've never ordered Hawaiian before. I'm actually not hungry because I ate on board, but because I'm waiting for my sister, I'm actually gonna have it like this. It looks nice actually. this? Simon, yeah. You're so big now. Wait, Sukuman ba? No. I saw big behind. Let me see. Sukuma. How you guys? No. Like you big. Like you gain weight. Sukuma. See, look behind. No. Like it's in the address. Not address. Need the address. Let's go.
Okay.
What is the? Excuse me. Can you introduce yourself?
No, not now.
Excuse me.
Still requesting.
Don't follow me. I'm looking at your fit check.
That's nothing.
I feel you have to prove a point to ban like Joe.
Yeah.
But only for to nani.
Yeah.
Exposed to the financial is in that's why you try to tell Fanabala shy crime because they want to report the
I know
this
this taxi business. But yeah.
What you been down in Anda?
Umlazi.
Then that's the West foot in
Newlands West.
You couldn't group little fine law. I'm shy by shiny box like. What do you
It books, what do you mean?
There's a guy who was terrorizing the community. I'm not sure which community, but it's in
But the guy kingpin, Jay.
yeah, West Gang or something.
This has a Cape Town feel. I feel like I'm in Cape Town. Okay, let's see how it looks. There's the key. This is so smart. Yala. Oh my gosh, now we have to go up. It's up here. Dumelang ba? Thing? Welcome to my crib. Okay, alright. So first of all, we cannot use anything else but snack. Okay? I like her finishes and her appliances. Like everything is like luxury, darling. Look at that.
This is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I'm Nanipa, aka
Hi,
the
Bo.
Big Boss.
AKA girl. Ha.
No, I'm joking. but
Lord,
guys, hi.
what a wow. What
Welcome
a
to the
wow.
vlog.
Uban, girl. Let's go. Oh, she even bought builder. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She even stocked. Wow, this host. She has a frother. I like that. Frother and a coffee maker. But look, it's like extra virgin olive oil, chili oil. Chili oil, come on. Wow. Oh, she's so sweet. She bought us drinks.
It has milk.
Oh, it's more. My fridge in Qatar is so empty. Like, I never buy anything.
I saw it has two things. It has intebolile.
It has two things.
It has
and but every time I buy, I have to throw away the food because it just spoils. I'm always away and it doesn't make sense.
So why do you buy food?
So I'm so happy to see an empty fridge. Because I want to be responsible and I want to but I just can't. You know, even now, I want to buy some groceries, but I know, Guti, 1% chance I will cook. I pray that I cook. I will pray.
I'll force you
to food when you see me just jump so I can cook. Please.
So when you see an empty fridge, you relate.
I get happy because at least I'm not a weirdo. Like beach towels and stuff.
Yeah. But there's no beach here.
Oh yeah, it's Johannesburg. Not sure. I think this is like the apartment and then there's the house. Look at this bathroom. What? Yo, inhle indlu girl. Guys, this is the best Airbnb I've ever seen. Wow. Very, very cutesy. Very cutesy. Hi, my afro is back. Yo, I need to go wash my hair. I actually plan to go to Indalo tomorrow, I hope, because I asked them if I can make a booking and they said it's only walk-ins. So I hope when I walk in I'll actually be able to do my hair, because I have a flight tomorrow back to Qatar, darling. Girl knows her thing. Wow, the studio is so nice. So when I was Olale Couchini, thank you. I'm kidding, that bed is not small actually.
Ooh, the greenery.
Wow, this place is nice.
It's giving.
It looks like Cape Town for me.
But it's giving the trees.
Yeah, the trees maybe, yeah, but like the house itself, it looks like Cape Town. This looks exactly like Cape Town.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so gorgeous. I'm in love with this kitchen.
Are we working here? Yes. What does Bereka mean? Working. I told you.
That's why he's laughing at me. I didn't check it. You look like you don't sell drugs, of course. Why would you?
No, I look like I'm trustworthy.
Button.
No, they passed.
No,
That's
button.
a good come at day one.
No, get to Sephora. The next Sephora is so expensive. We can take what do I need actually? Let me take a bag.
Yeah. This in a glycerin. But it looks different from the one we have.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. There's a green tea one. Tea tree.
I've never used that one.
Tea tree doesn't work. Does it work for you? Native chow? What's native chow?
People like buying normal, especially with apple.
Oh,
hair.
I could do castor oil. Shucks, why does everything have to be handled? Sweet almond oil. Labo, that's cheaper actually because angazi complain. This looks nice.
Coconut.
Natural hair and body oil, but that is I'm looking for my hair.
Isn't this hair?
It says body oil, natural hair and body oil. Sure, but bro, it's 105. But you know 105 is like 30 rands, 30 reals. But it feels expensive.
Yiple. My hair is 50.
Essential happy hair hydrating mist. But what is this?
You can hydrating, man.
How my hair needs to stay flat for work, not up.
So you need a what? Gel?
I have a gel, but I need just an oil. I think I need castor oil. Now Aunt Jackie's, I feel like South Africa is so expensive. Honestly, South Africa is so expensive, bro. What is this? Yeah, I'll just take this milk and honey. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I think I need a mask. Are we full, bro? Yeah, when you're washing your hair, I think. Are we full? You're not taking anything?
I don't even know. Like, I don't know. Champagne.
But are you growing your? Let me take. Whipped shea butter, shea butter.
But I just don't know what to use.
But you're not taking anything. I think I will take this too. Okay, let's go. What else? take this one. I hope it's good.
When last?
Which side? Rolled cotton wool. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take 2 of them. Lente 5, What do you call it? I don't know how we lose these. Does not make sense. I once took a shot of this. It's actually good. This is so good. I'm gonna buy some. Are we eating, Len?
What is that?
It's like vitamin C type of thing. It's only 19. That's so good. It's for face. You see, it removes dark spots and stuff. Do you want one? Do you want one? What's umngani wakhe? Ngifana nomngani wakhe. What's umngani wakhe?
Manje ubona ngathi jacket yakuthi uthi ngibambe jacket.
Yeah, uyangisiza yambona.
Ready for winter.
Ready for winter. Akakabandi. Yabandi.
Uthi mayifika winter.
Sorry?
Mayifika never.
My face was right now. Where are you going? Mara, it's fine. Oh, okay. Did you give it checks card? Yeah. Yeah.
Mara amajini yabo mara ajukuthi angilingani
No, asilingani.
wena uthathele ba
Ayibo. Yeah.
manje wena uthathele ba
Ngithathela bani? What do you mean?
i-height
Oh, ngimude nebaba. Ngithathela ubaba.
no wena uma
Yeah. But you're not short.
yani
Average, yeah.
uyokhulula
Siyabonga.
nikuhamba ninjalo
Yeah, but kunjani phela. It's done, ne?
20 phela sometimes abantwana bayabulala nathi
Bayabulalana? Hayibo. Why would they do that? Kubangwani? Imali?
Inteliya uyothola wena uzethu lwaphuwa
Lo wakubulala?
labantwana bakho bayaphila ngesikole lo bakhe
Labakhe.
uyabona manje niphila konke so
Nikhula nonke.
manje mawuthi wabe nemntwana
Can I?
oh ngiyenzile kumele wena
Okay. Clicks will surprise you. We say it is for and speaking like le mali le. Kanjani? We pay less but khokha kangaka. How is that? And the plastic in empty go. Njani?
abana bakhuma
Siyabonga. Zero content. Hey, 1 liter.
It takes so much. And apparently it keeps on my eyes for 3 days.
3 days. I love flowers. No, it's not worth it.
Very, very cutesy.
Bruh! No, but the thing is, I will never find it anywhere for 49. It's so expensive there. And it's not good quality, so this is good quality. No, my butternuts is coming. The first comment, minute butternuts. I don't care. Okay, what else? Yafana, the other fruits, I'll put them in suitcase in J. Yafana. That's a bread thing. Yeah. It's like that. It's $30, which is the waste. There's black bags here. You're gonna carry them. Just take it, bro. Why are you trying to flex? What is this?
I'm trying to.
Just take it.
I'm trying to think.
Just take it. You need butternut.
I'm
Take
trying to
it.
think because last time I remember
Oh, butternut.
butternut.
Okay. I think we'll take this. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Do you need carrots? Do you need carrots? The freezer. Yeah, the freezer and then just cook it there. Because what am I gonna do? Surely, I love broccoli because Labayan we have broccoli frozen. Like I don't want that. What else? Cauliflower rice. I've never tried it. Okay, let me. I think it's okay. It's only like. This is a vlog. This durum wheat spaghetti. I bought some corn. This was like buy two for 50, right? Yeah, it was like buy two for 50. It was so cute. Like I realized I say cute to everything. And you can laugh, camera lady.
Okay.
And then brangati, I almost thought it spoiled. And then this was so cheap. Like I was like, oh wow. I never get this for this price in Doha. It's like 25 rands. How much is that in Doha? Divide by 5. Yo, don't ask me. I don't know.
5 rand. 5
rand?
5.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wow, that's good. And then some sunflower oil. That's for you, madam. Hey, let me tell you about my sister, the one that's holding it. This honey mustard thing. What is this? Oh, I bought a crunch dunked ring burger. Dunked crunch. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Sorry.
Why you booked?
And then I bought this squeezed and pressed organic. Hey guys, let me tell you, actually the reason why I went to Woolies is because my Asian colleagues, all of them, they were recommending, they're like, you're going to South Africa, have you been to Woolies? I'm like, what's the hype with Woolies, guys? And I actually even saw some of the things that they made me try on board, and I was like, wow, these girls. Okay, I'm from South Africa, I never buy from Woolies, so I was like, let me just buy. People buy from Woolies and you don't. Like, what is that? To have them, I mean, suggest Woolies to me. Like, that was so funny. And I bought, my sister was laughing at me like, uzoitwala njani? I'm like, what do you mean? I have a suitcase, I can just put this in. This was like 50 rand. Super cheap. 50 divided by 5 is 10, right? That's like 10 reals in Doha for 3 of them. Is that my phone?
I can't get that phone.
Oh, sorry, you're Android, right?
You didn't have to.
No, I'm just checking because I've never heard
but
that
you know,
sound.
what's the phone yakho ikhanda jalo. Suddenly siyabuza uthi phone yakho.
But I've never heard that sound.
Uphakeme. Uphakeme.
If you can see your face right now. And then I bought this Durban curry, cooking sauce Durban curry. I wanna cook. Guys, please pray for me to cook.
To cook?
Yeah, because I buy things and then they rot in my fridge. Like, that's hectic. Please pray for me to cook, guys. And then this is another cooking a la king for like chicken a la king. Wanna try that too. And I bought some brown rice. It was super cheap. Where's the price? Okay.
Was it?
It was cheap, bruh. You blocking la?
No, I'm not.
It was cheap. Cheaper than the one that I buy back in Doha.
Okay.
Not that I really buy it, but this was cheap. And then I bought this is mustard. I thought it was I'm so disappointed.
I thought you took it
in custard.
No.
Oh my, should be some custard.
Mild mustard.
Should be some custard, bruh. I literally thought I'm buying custard. But anyway, it's gonna be good. I will eat it sometime. And then I bought some long life milk. And then
so this is a Woolworths.
And then I told this girl to take bruh, stop making noise. I told this girl, bruh, I want Uber.
No.
Bruh, you're making noise. What are these noises you're making?
Clicks hall.
Like,
we have a clicks hall.
I told her to buy things. She said, Uzobe Kibeli public transport here now she cannot carry. Can you imagine? Who can't carry milk, guys? Like, you literally get it out of the box, stack it in this, and carry it home. Like, what is the issue? Oh, and I bought some mixed veggies. Very good. I've never seen mixed veggies in Doha. And then this is cakes, guys. I was so surprised. I mean, I know 500 probably sounds not that much, but for this, I was like, ah, guys, Nina. I saw this, your thing is like, I saw. Pause. Okay, and then I went to Clicks. Hey, Clicks at Biza, before it's, this is probably like 10 items. Can you believe it? Hey, some rolled wool. Oops, why am I?
Rolled wool?
Guys, I'm tired. Yeah, it's rolled cotton wool. You see, I'm right. Bro, I'm not that tired. Don't make me.
Say rolled wool.
Wool. And then I bought some with shea butter. How do you say this? Shea butter or shea butter? Some people say shea, some people say shea. Whatever you call it. Bought this because I'm going to go to the salon tomorrow and do my hair. I hope they can use this. And then I bought some curl enriching custard. What's the joke? Yeah, when I'm done, they can just do it on top. Or me, whatever. Because I'm washing my hair tomorrow. What's the big deal? Can I have some water, please, madam? It's okay. You were born with multitasking functions. Thank you. Wait, hold on a second. Cut the cameras. Okay. It's all like Dixela, bro. What's going on? Do you see it?
No.
You
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pizul.
What?
Apparently, I'm a myth.
No.
No, it's not negative. Ati makdigizaleli, so like you're gonna be happy.
I'm always happy.
But I don't believe in that.
Okay, but if it's good, it's fine. And then I bought this milk and honey, native child. I want to try native child because. Huh? And then I don't know how we lose these. Like you go from, I think I bought once like Ipekia or 50 or something. Not even one is left. Can you imagine? So I bought these because, oops, sorry guys. Because what is this? Because okay, anyway, I don't know what I want to say. And then I bought this for on board. Like after eating, I have to just. Why are you laughing? I have to just gargle my mouth because I mean I talk to people on board. You know, I don't want to talk to you, Mugi Shebo. I cannot. I cannot. So I bought this. And then I bought some glutathione. This is like vitamin C, right? I don't know. I took a glutathione shot in Dubai once, and it really made my skin feel good. So I bought some sachets. Yeah, I think actually this is powdery. It helps with skin brightening, skin elasticity, and dark spot removal. So I hope this is good. And then bought some castor oil because I'll be having my hair for a while. Actually, wanna braid my hair, but I'm just so lazy to go to the salon. Then this is a Rooibos antioxidant. What is it? What do you call it, Tomazan?
So bar soap. Hey.
I wanted to say facial cleanser. And then these are so nostalgic, ne? Whatever the word is. Two there. And then I bought Zambak stuff for sure. And then this is Shield. So this is all that we have here. Dun dum. Thank you for watching. She can't operate the TV. God. But what's that
that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship.
Give this girl her flowers.
Spirit and truth, the light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love that flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
Breakfast is
So
ready.
with all the breath in
It's so cold also, you're not dressed. Good morning. Oh, so something about waking up, not actually home, but it's still home. I had like 24 hours in South Africa and now I have to leave. Sad, so sad. But it was only just a day off that I came here. No mama dry. But anyway, we're gonna go to Indalo. They open at like 8:30, so we want to be the first people there because the ladies. Okay, wait. How do I look? Do I look here? The lady said it's walk-ins until like 3 p.m. and then I don't know. But yeah, so we have, if we have to walk in, we have to be there early so that we can just do our hair. I want to do like a treatment on my afro because in Doha, they don't handle my hair very, you know, like how you should handle an afro. I feel like they just handle it like any kind of hair. And my hair is very dry and it needs like extra care and stuff like that. So I hope Indalo can do that. We'll see after. It's very dirty right now.
your blood makes atonement for my sin, cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all in right.
Excuse the dirty mirror, but that's the least of my problems right now. I managed to get a spot, like a lady put me in front of her. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful for her. And I couldn't really do the treatment. I'm just doing a wash. And look at how thorough they actually detangling my hair. And I love how my coils are popping up and my hair is bouncing back. That never happens because I've never found anyone who actually washes my hair with so much care for my coils. Like, honestly, even myself, I'm learning. I've never washed my hair like this, and I'm definitely going to incorporate this or just come back because, I mean, I think they really did a good job that I will definitely come back. My scalp is still tingling even today. So like I said, I'm on a time crunch. My flight departs at 1:20, and I am like panicking because I'm still like washing my hair, so which is why I can't really do anything. I don't have breathing room. I'll definitely come back to Indalo, and I highly 110% recommend it if you are a natural hair girly. Like even my hairline, like I've never seen my hair like defined like this. Like look at how my hairline is so wavy and coily, and I'm like, is this my hair? Are we sure this is my hair? Like wow, I was so impressed. Like my coils were definitely defined. I don't know what product they used, I didn't really check, but I think it was Tresemme for washing, but I don't know how they were, like what product they were using to detangle my hair. But man, oh man, look at that. Sure, I've never seen my hair like this ever.
Draw me close. Darkness loses its hold. Its hold on.
So many times I done miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need